Basically, a memo serves as internal communication tool within an organization, meaning that it is used as a communication tool to transfer information within an organization. Always remember that, okay? Then they convey information concisely and efficiently. A memo should always be shorter, brief, and concise, okay? This third point is very, very important. Basically, the common purpose of memo for which it is used is like, whether there's an announcement in the company, or, an employee wants to request something, or memo can also use to send reminders, like for example, an assistant manager writes a meeting reminder memo to a manager, okay? Or it can be used to send updates as well within the organization, okay? Now if we discuss an example, so this is an example of a memo, okay? Where let's suppose that you are a manager in XYZ company, and you write a memo to your supervisor and requesting him to provide an additional office supplies, okay? So the key components of a memo is first of all heading, okay? Where the word memorandum or memo is written at the top. Then we have to clearly state the recipients, okay? Like it is written for a supervisor, so a name of a supervisor should be written here. Then from whom it is sent, so your name is added here, okay? Then the date, okay? Then a subject line for quick reference, okay? Now if we talk about the opening, so the memo begins with a concise and informative statement or greeting, okay? As written in this particular sample, I hope this memo finds you well, okay? Then you can introduces the main purpose or subject of the memo, okay? As written in this particular sample, I am writing to request additional office supplies for our department as we are currently experiencing a shortage that is impacting our productivity. The details of our request are as follows, okay? Then you have to write the detailed information, facts or explanations, okay? You can also organize content into paragraphs with clear headings, okay, if necessary. Then you can also use this bullet points or numbered lists for clarity and readability, okay? As written in this particular memo sample. I want to add one more thing here, basically, that you should need to avoid jargons, and always uses a professional tone, okay? In conclusion, you have to summarize the main points or actions required, okay? You can also include a call to action if applicable. As written in this particular sample, we kindly ask for your assistance in procuring these supplies by date, as it will greatly facilitate our daily operations and help us meet our targets efficiently, okay? You can also convey a courteous closing and contact information as well here, okay? If you have attached additional document, then always mention to refer any additional document or materials attached to the memo, okay? You can also provide a brief description or list of the attachment as well, okay? Like as written in this particular sample, okay? Attached to this memo, you will find a detailed breakdown of the cost associated with the requested items. We believe this investment is necessary.